The audio landscape of content creation is on the verge of a seismic shift, and if you're still relying on legacy gear, you are already falling behind. Imagine a world where professional-grade, 32-bit float audio is captured by a device so small it practically disappears on your collar. We're talking about the next evolution of wireless transmission, a piece of engineering that doesn't just record sound. It protects your creative vision from the chaos of the real world. Every creator, from the solo vlogger to the high-end studio producer, has been asking the same question. How do we get studio-quality audio without the bulk? The answer, according to the latest whispers and technical blueprints emerging from the labs, is the upcoming DJI Mic Mini M3. This isn't just an iterative update. It is a fundamental rethinking of what a mobile microphone should be. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Let's be honest, the frustration of a ruined take is something every creator knows too well. You're out on location, the wind is howling, there's background chatter, and suddenly your audio peaks, clips, or worse, loses signal entirely. It's a nightmare. The DJI Mic Mini M3 aims to be the final solution to these production headaches. Rumors suggest that DJI has poured its latest advancements in AI-powered noise cancellation into this tiny form factor. We aren't just talking about standard low-cut filters. We are talking about a machine learning algorithm that could distinguish between the human voice and a chaotic cityscape in real time. This is the kind of leap that changes the barrier to entry for professional content, allowing you to walk into any environment with the confidence that your audio will remain pristine, crisp, and broadcast-ready the moment you press record. The design philosophy behind the M3 series seems to be shifting toward invisible power. When we look at the specs leaking across the industry, the emphasis is heavily placed on the weight-to-performance ratio. If the leaks hold true, the DJI Mic Mini M3 will feature an ultra-lightweight magnesium alloy casing that's both durable and heat-dissipating, ensuring that even during marathon shooting sessions, the hardware never throttles or fails. It's a direct response to the community's demand for gear that doesn't just sit in a camera bag, but becomes an extension of the creator's body. When you aren't worried about whether your mic is visible or if your transmitter is going to slide off your shirt, your performance improves. Your storytelling becomes more natural. That is the true value proposition of the M3. It gets out of your way so you can focus on your audience. We also have to talk about the ecosystem. The M3 isn't arriving in a vacuum. It is being built to integrate seamlessly with the entire DJI Creator Suite. Think about the synergy between the DJI Pocket 3's image stabilization and the M3's audio precision. We are looking at a future where the receiver unit isn't just a pass-through device, but a command center for your entire production. Sources indicate that the new M3 may allow for multi-device sync, enabling a solo creator to switch between cameras, drones, and smartphones without ever having to repair or adjust gain levels manually. This is the set-it-and-forget-it workflow that every professional dreams of. By centralizing the audio management, DJI is positioning the M3 to become the industry's standard for agile, fast-paced production. Now, let's dive into the technical meat of the leaks, the 32-bit float internal recording. For those who aren't familiar with this technology, it essentially means you never have to worry about gain staging again. You could be whispering in a quiet room or shouting at a concert, and the M3's internal processing will capture it all without distortion. It's like having a safety net for your audio. The integration of this technology into a mini model is a massive feat of engineering. The challenge for DJI here is power efficiency. How do you pack high-fidelity processing into a battery that has to fit inside a device the size of a coin? The answer seems to lie in a proprietary power management chip that is reportedly 30% more efficient than the previous generation. This translates to longer shoot days, fewer charge cycles, and less downtime when you're out in the field. But it's not just about the hardware. It's about the software ecosystem. DJI is allegedly introducing a companion app update alongside the M3 that brings granular control to your smartphone. You'll be able to monitor levels, change recording modes, and even update firmware wirelessly while the mics are still clipped to your shirt. This level of control is unprecedented. Imagine being a one-person crew. You've set up your tripod, you've positioned your lighting, and now you have total command over your audio levels from your phone, without having to walk back and forth to your camera. The M3 is designed to give you that extra set of hands you've always wanted. It's about efficiency, it's about speed, and it's about making sure you never miss the shot because your gear was lagging behind.